English Learning Room.
Max, please sit still. We are almost inside the hospital.
Your dog looks very nervous today.
He was not eating well since yesterday.
That sounds bad. Is he feeling better now?
I hope so. The doctor is checking him now.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Max is a very nice name. He looks friendly.
Yes, he loves meeting new people.
I also have a pet dog at home.
Really? What is your dog's name?
Her name is Bella.
That is a beautiful name.
Thank you. Bella sometimes gets sick too.
I always worry when Max is sick.
I understand. Pets are like family members.
Yes, that is true.
Do you come to this hospital often?
No, this is my first time here.
The doctors here are very kind and helpful.
That makes me feel better.
I am sure Max will be okay soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I hope your dog gets well soon.
Excuse me, are you okay?
Yes, I am okay, but my car is not.
That looks serious. What happened?
I heard a loud noise and then the tire came off.
Were you driving fast?
No, thankfully I was driving slowly.
That is lucky. You could have been hurt.
I know, I am still a little shocked.
Do you need any help?
I am not sure what to do next.
Have you called roadside assistance?
Not yet. My phone battery is almost dead.
You can use my phone if you want.
Really? Thank you so much.
No problem. Safety comes first.
I was actually on my way to an important meeting.
That meeting can wait. Your safety is more important.
You are right.
Is anyone else in the car?
No, I am traveling alone today.
That is good. At least nobody was injured.
Yes, things could have been much worse.
The assistance truck should arrive soon.
Thank you for stopping and helping me.
Anyone would do the same.
Not everyone. You are very kind.
Look, I think the roadside assistance truck is coming.
Oh yes, I can see it now. Thank you again for your kindness.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Hello, do you have time for a haircut today?
Yes, please have a seat.
Thank you. My hair's getting too long.
What kind of haircut would you like?
Just a simple trim, please.
Sure. How much would you like me to cut?
About 2 inches.
No problem. Would you like me to wash your hair first?
Yes, that would be nice.
Great. Please come this way.
This water feels relaxing.
I'm glad you like it.
Is the salon always this busy?
Usually on weekends, yes.
I can see many people waiting.
Everyone wants to look good for the weekend.
That makes sense.
Okay, your haircut is almost finished.
That was quick.
Please take a look in the mirror.
Wow, it looks much better now.
I'm happy you like it.
How much do I owe you?
It is $15.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for the great haircut.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you. The bus is very crowded today.
Yes, many people are going home from work now.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I use it for work every morning and evening.
I am new in this area.
Really? Where did you move from?
I moved here last week from another city.
Oh, welcome to the city then.
Thank you. People here seem very friendly.
Most people are kind and helpful here.
That is nice to hear.
Are you here for work or study?
I came here for a new job.
Congratulations. I hope everything goes well for you.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Oh, this is my stop now.
Okay, have a safe trip home.
You too. Goodbye.